Hi guys, H39 here, and it's time for another unboxing. So what we have today is the Vitality H36. Hopefully that's what's in the box. Packaging from Banggood, so packaging is reduced to repackage from their factory to be able to ship for free. So here we go. Without further ado, let's look at what this puppy is, or what we got. Using the Samurai Mew 710 for the unboxing. Hope I'm in the frame. Yeah. This thing has been sharpened with one of my new sharpener that I should probably show you guys by now, but you know, just don't have the time too much. And to tell you the truth, I need some new stones for it to sharpen good. The original stones aren't that good. Just want to test that concept thoroughly before I can make a review on it. Should be good. Here we go, Vitality H36. Let's see if I'm in the frame. Yep. Wow, this thing is so tiny. Wow, this is sweet. Comes with the batteries, one extra small battery. Can't wait to take that out of the box and start playing with it. Tiny wires, 2 LEDs. Now I should have got with that order some extra battery I ordered with it, but it doesn't seem like there's some extra batteries in there. Although, no extra batteries. Seems to be the mode 1 for the, you got your charger, 4 extra props. So I'm guessing the batteries are going to come in another order. Oh, resolution is much better than the other one. Much better resolution on that controller. Can't wait to try that one. Sweet. Alright, so there you go guys, the new Vitality H36. Can't wait to charge that puppy up with that one battery that I got and start playing with it. So I'm gonna look in the packaging to see if I don't have the other batteries in there somewhere hidden away. So alright guys, so this was the quick little unboxing of the Vitality H36 I got from Banggood. Hope you guys enjoyed and look forward to a review soon. See you later guys.